Welcome to All Motors, the channel where technology, engineering and innovation in the world of automobiles, aircraft and military machines come alive in one place. Our mission is to deliver the most accurate reviews, detailed specifications and in-depth features of the most advanced machines ever built by mankind. If you are passionate about speed, stealth, design and futuristic defense technology, you are in the right place because today we are bringing you something that has been a topic of great excitement and speculation for years. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, the next-generation interceptor jet designed to carry the legacy of Russian aerospace engineering into the future. The MiG-41 has been discussed as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, and many defense analysts believe it is the answer to modern threats including hypersonic weapons and stealth aircraft. The aircraft is often referred to as a sixth-generation fighter or a pseudo-fifth-and-a-half-generation jet depending on the classification standards, but what makes it stand out is its focus on speed, altitude and advanced strike capabilities that go beyond the conventional fighter jet role. The 2026 iteration of the MiG-41 brings the culmination of years of design work by Mikoyan with input from Russian defense industries to create a machine that is built to dominate the skies in an era of rapid technological advancement. One of the biggest highlights of the MiG-41 is its speed. Reports indicate it is capable of reaching speeds close to Mach 4.3, making it not just faster than most modern fighter jets but also able to intercept hypersonic threats before they reach their targets. This level of performance is a massive leap from previous designs, and it positions the MiG-41 as not only a fast interceptor but also as a deterrent to future long-range attacks. Alongside its speed, the aircraft is designed to operate at altitudes exceeding 40,000 meters, giving it the ability to perform missions at the edge of near space, where conventional aircraft cannot easily maneuver. Stealth is another important aspect. Unlike the older Soviet designs that emphasized raw power over radar cross-section management, the MiG-41 incorporates radar-absorbing materials, sleek angular surfaces and advanced coatings that allow it to operate in contested airspace with a reduced radar signature. While it may not be as stealthy as the American F-35 or F-22 in close range, its advantage lies in speed and range, which makes it extremely difficult to detect and engage effectively. The weapons system of the MiG-41 is just as impressive. It is expected to carry hypersonic missiles capable of neutralizing both aerial and ground targets. There is talk of an anti-satellite capability that could potentially disable satellites in low Earth orbit, giving it a strategic edge in modern warfare where space-based assets play a crucial role. The onboard weapon bays allow the aircraft to maintain its aerodynamic efficiency while keeping weapons concealed until engagement. Advanced targeting systems, artificial intelligence-assisted flight control and next-generation radar suites provide the pilot with unmatched situational awareness in fast-moving combat environments. Powering this beast is believed to be a new generation of engines specifically designed to handle high thermal stress at hypersonic speeds. These engines may even incorporate scramjet technology for sustained hypersonic flight. Fuel efficiency at such speeds is always a concern, but the MiG-41 is expected to use specialized fuels that can withstand the extreme conditions of Mach 4+ performance. The avionics suite includes data link integration with drones and unmanned systems, allowing the MiG-41 to operate as a central node in a larger battle network. Inside the cockpit, pilots will find advanced heads-up displays, helmet-mounted systems and possibly even augmented reality interfaces. The ergonomics and design are aimed at reducing pilot workload during high-speed missions while allowing precision control of the aircraft's advanced systems. Autonomy may play a role as well, with rumors suggesting that the MiG-41 could operate in both manned and unmanned configurations, giving the Russian Air Force flexibility in deployment. From a strategic perspective, the MiG-41 represents more than just a fighter jet. It is a statement of intent by Russia to maintain air superiority in a world where threats are becoming faster, stealthier and more advanced. Its ability to reach hypersonic speeds, operate at near-space altitudes and potentially threaten space-based assets elevates it beyond a traditional interceptor into a multi-dimensional defense platform. For Russia, this aircraft ensures that it remains at the forefront of aerospace development in competition with American and Chinese advanced fighters. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 therefore stands as one of the most ambitious and futuristic projects in modern aviation. It combines speed, stealth, advanced weaponry and high-altitude capability into a single platform that is expected to redefine the role of interceptor jets for decades to come. Whether it is defending against hypersonic missiles, engaging stealth aircraft, or extending warfare capabilities into near space, the MiG-41 is built to be a game-changer. This was your detailed review of the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 covering its specs, features and role in the future of aerial warfare. Stay connected with All Motors for more updates on the most advanced machines from across the world. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss our deep dive reviews into the most powerful aircraft, cars and defense systems on the planet.